Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to manage charging sound on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to find sounds and vibration. Now let's scroll down and tap on system sound and vibration control, and as you can see right in the middle of this section we've got the charging. Right now it is turned on, so it means that after plugging the cable you will hear the sound feedback, and if you're not the biggest fan of it you can turn it off easily just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on it is inactive, so you won't hear actually anything. Obviously you can turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to manage the charging sound in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.